What's up, YouTube? It's Kenny again. It's kind of early, so I had to bust out my little ring light, but I wanted to get this video out this morning, try to get it out before the market opens. First of all, before we start, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a truck driver driving across the country trading stocks, researching stocks. I am not your mama, so I will not be held responsible for anything you do in the stock market. Also, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you enjoy the content, hit the subscribe button for me, like the video, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this stock. All right. So this is going to be about CCIV. The ticker symbol is CCIV. It's Churchill Capital. All right. I want to be straight up right off the bat. This one is kind of a gamble. It's speculative. Okay. Very speculative. So invest at your own risk and do your own research. There's a lot of information out there, and I'm not going to provide it all here. I just want to make sure that my subscribers are aware of what's going down. All right. So there has been a ton of rumor and speculation going around that this SPAC, CCIV, which is a SPAC, a special purpose acquisition company, is going to announce a merger with Lucid Motors. All right. The stock has gone way up on these rumors, and it has come back down some, but it is still way up above $10, which, you know, a SPAC starts at $10. The lowest it can go is $10. But it's up around 18 now, and it was up in the 20s. Now, guys, I can't stress enough that this stock is speculative, okay? These are rumors that have been coming out. But I've done a bunch of research, and the rumors seem to me that it is likely that the rumors are correct for a lot of different reasons, okay? I'm not going to go into all of them, but I'll just say that there were initially someone had said that they were in talks, okay, and that someone from inside the company had said that there was a meeting taking place, and the meeting, supposedly, they said they were looking to go public in April. Well, they're not going to go public by April through the traditional IPO, so if they wanted to do that, it would have to be a SPAC, okay? Well, the chairman of the board of directors of Lucid Motors is some sort of a partner in Churchill Capital, the company that owns CCIV, okay? So there's a definite connection there in the leadership of Lucid Motors, or the board of directors. The chairman of the board is also some kind of a partner in Churchill. So it's only logical that they would be in talks about this. They have been directly asked and said they could neither confirm nor deny that these talks are taking place, okay? That is another signal to me. If they were not having talks, they probably would have just said no, okay? Because the SEC, they see what's going on with all this speculation and stuff, and there's a potential that they could get in trouble or have short sellers coming out with articles saying they were misleading shareholders and stuff like that. So it's my opinion that if they were not in talks, that they probably would have just said no and not said we can't confirm or deny, okay? And that's just my opinion. That's just what I think based on the information that I've seen. And there's also other stuff that people are pointing out, that things like, you got this person in Churchill that used to work for Ford, you got this person in Lucid that used to work for Ford, and all of these connections that people are drawing that may or may not be accurate, okay? But all I'm saying is that there is a lot of rumor and speculation that seems to me to at least be logical and, you know, makes it feel like the rumors could be correct, okay? Now, Lucid Motors is a badass company, all right? They're going to make a badass electric vehicle, all right? Like, could potentially be among the ranks of a Tesla. And this is not a company that's 2 years out. They're basically ready to start putting out cars right now, okay, out of a plant in Arizona. So with all the hype surrounding this, and with all of the people, the way they're talking about Lucid and the looks of the vehicles and the potential range of the vehicles and all this other stuff, okay, if they do announce a merger with CCIV, that stock is going to pretty much instantly double from where it's at. I mean, I can almost guarantee it's going to hit 40 if it's announced, with just the action that we've had on rumors and the hype surrounding the company. This is a potential double up situation, okay? Or more. It could go higher. You know how these things do. Now, I'm not saying it's going to go up to 40 or 50 and then stay there. It'll probably go up and then come back down some. But it's definitely a potential play that you could swing up to those highs and double your money or more. Okay, if they announce a merger. Play it at your own risk, guys. But in the post market yesterday, I bought 50 shares. That should say something about what I think about it. Now, I don't know that I'll hold that all the way through an announcement. If more rumor comes out and it goes up to 25 or something, I will most likely sell it. If it drops 10% or something, 15% or something like that, I probably will also sell it. But I have enough conviction in the rumors that are out and the speculation that's going on that I took my play money that I'm, you know, in my Roth IRA, that I had about $900 on the sidelines that I was going to use to swing trade some stuff, and I put it into it. So just do your own research. Go watch all the videos from like Tom Nash and Stockmo and all these guys. Go look at the videos, look at the speculative rumors and the evidence supporting them, and make your own decision. I just want to make sure that you guys are aware of what's going on, so that you don't miss the boat if it is something that you might be interested in. All right. So that's basically all I got for you. I did want to kind of talk a little bit also about something that recently happened with me, if you're interested in that. The company that I work for has multiple times offered me dedicated positions, and I've turned them down up until now, but they yesterday, the day before yesterday, they offered me a craft dedicated position, and I decided to take it. So it's I can always go back to what I'm doing right now or what I was doing yesterday, but the pay was interesting to me, and so I've decided to take it. And if it works out, what's going to happen is it's going to give me, not only, because I've never done dedicated before, so it's going to allow me to have more of an idea as far as some of these EV trucks go, how they would work in a dedicated type setting, because the runs will be shorter. I will probably be doing less miles, and maybe I'll have more of an idea about, you know, some of these things like Tesla and how they'll work in a dedicated route. Or it's not really a route, okay? I'm going to be on a craft dedicated, be doing craft in the Midwest, and I assume it'll be like craft out and pick something else up to come back in and stuff. But it's actually a really good deal, guys. Like, the pay is calculated daily, so I'm guaranteed $175 a day, which is $12.50 a week, basically, because it's 7 days a week, you know. So every day that I'm not at home, I'm guaranteed $175 a day. But then if that calculates out to about 370 miles a day, But then since it's calculated by the day, if there's a day that I do 600 miles, then I get paid my regular mileage rate for those 600 miles for that day. So really, like, I'm guaranteed $12.50. But if there are, say, 2 or 3 days in there when I do 500-600 miles, that's going to bump me up to a pretty fat paycheck. So, and that was what interested me about it. I made sure that they know that if I don't like it, I can go back to my same dispatcher and all that, right back to what I was doing. So I'm going to give it a try. We'll see how it works out. And, you know, maybe it'll actually give me more perspective on some of these EV trucking plays and stuff. But anyway, just want to give you guys a little update at the end here about what's going on with me, since I've got some news. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, and CCIV is a very speculative, potentially dangerous play, and I want you to be sure you do your own research and be careful with it. But I see promise in the thing. So thanks a lot for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Help me build this channel. Like the video, and let me know what you think about CCIV, and, you know, any research you may have done or links to potential information about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.